What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't made a video, but the channel is going to be changing up a little bit. I'm going to actually be mixing up my content. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of windshield replacements and windshield tools. Also, obviously car stuff, like what my channel is based on now. And maybe some thrifting. You know, I do thrifting as a hobby. So, you know, thrifting for profit. So I'm going to be changing things up a little bit. I'm going to try to put out a video at least once a week or somewhere along the lines of that. I'm not really sure yet. So today I'm just going to be doing a replacement on a Jeep Wrangler. And this windshield's been replaced quite a few times. So we're going to be actually installing Mopar's Gorilla Glass. And we're going to be extracting the windshield out with a new tool that we received yesterday called the WRD bat. So I'm going to show you guys how that bat works. What's up, guys? So I'm going to be starting with the install. I'm using my cell phone to record because I wasn't prepared to this. I had no intentions of actually filming this, but I'm going to start filming more installations as I go. This is a big chip right here. This is a big, pretty hard hit. So the customer wanted a replacement. This has been replaced a bunch of times. It wasn't previously replaced by me, so I offered him the option of using that Gorilla Glass. So hopefully I'll be saving him some money because he said he's done 8 windshields so far. So I will be using the WRD orange bat to replace this windshield. This will be my 4th removal with this tool. I've never used it before. I just got this yesterday. A couple people said it was going to take some time to figure out how to use this, and I found this tool extremely simple to use. The only other wire tool I've really used is the Viper consistently. So we retired that recently, me and my partner, and we invested in this, which we got a great deal. So I'm going to just show you how it works, and if I do anything wrong or I make any kind of mistake, please, you know, feel free to comment, because I'm really fairly new at using this. I haven't used it before. So the line happened to rip because we got about 4 windshields out of it. So we had to reset everything. So Stevie just jumped in here. And he's just letting it go. Danke. Well, danke.
No, it's good stuff. I'll grab it. Just
This is the glass we're going to be using. Primed, ready to go. We'll be installing this with Sika Mach 60. This is an upgraded windshield for your JK. It's supposed to be high strength, because you know the Jeep guys tend to go through a lot of windshields. Well, there you have it. We used WRD bat. We installed the Gorilla Glass in this. I don't even know what year this thing is. What year is this thing? 2010 Jeep Wrangler. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to roast me in the comments. I do appreciate them. Thank you very much. Peace